Hello guys, so let's begin today's trading. I have analyzed and selected all the currency pairs with the most optimal price movement and suitable for today's strategy. Also, we have the OTC market. This means that all the currency pairs have a great payout percentage, which is a good reason to earn some money. In the breakdown, we'll review the following indicators: fractal and weighted moving average with a period of 15, and the CCI ratio with a period of 10. Today we'll focus on the trends and of course keep an eye on the overbought and oversold areas. I will try to combine all the indicators, and overall I think everything will be crystal clear, so I suggest we start trading. I'll pick the first currency pair.
Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel and join my VIP group. It will make your trading journey much smoother and boost your success. Just send me a message saying I want to join the VIP group.
And right here, by the way, we have a grid. I would even say a pretty good entry point. Overall, I will focus on the trend and just the weighted moving average. So let's highlight working area. Earlier you might have noticed that the movement was going down, and this is a small consolidation area, so to speak, of the price. The price went into correction, and then after updating the local price of the minimum, and the next movement dynamics took on a corrective character. Then the weighted moving average crossed from below upwards. And this is exactly the main signal for my entry. So you can see the result for yourself. Let's observe the end of the trade. Okay, well, in the first trade closed in the profit without any issues. I will change the trade amount. I'll probably set $752 and continue trading. So let's pick up the new currency pair. And probably here I will try to open a trade for an upward movement. Also, it might not be the most optimal, the entry point is not perfect, but my logic here is quite clear, and I believe the signal will be justified. Overall, the trend here is upward, and the consistent good pullbacks in price upward this decision. Here we had the formation of a local minimum, and at this point we see the crossing of the weighted moving line from bottom to top. And there was a small crossing, so I concluded that theoretically the price could continue upward. And I also observed a reservoir of the moving line on the accelerator. However, we will close this trade at a loss. The entry point wasn't entirely correct, as I mentioned earlier. And so, yeah, unfortunately, I closed the trade at loss. It's my fault, I should have waited for a clearer crossing of the moving average. Okay, now I'll change the trade amount and continue. I will now open a trade with my entire balance, with $1,000. I will proceed with further analyze, and let's continue by selecting the next currency pair.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
So guys, let's take a risk here. I'll base my decision on the trend and the more average line. I believe a sustained upward movement could follow now. Here the previous local minimum has been broken, and new one has formed, as indicated by the fractal. I believe that after this update the price may start moving upward. The key point here, I see the price exciting the oversold area on the accelerator, which is why this is the logic behind my entry. So, okay, let's observe the results. I'm confident that by the end of the trade, the price should resolve. Okay, and trend class in the green. Okay, good. I didn't quite pick the correct entry level. The more accurate one would have been at the very end of the candle, but such an entry is quite difficult at the time. Nevertheless, as you can see, the trend is still moving upward, so the entry logic was absolutely correct. I will change the trade amount to 950 and open 2 positions. I'm going to use my entire balance again. Okay, let's continue, and I will pick up the new currency pair. And here I will probably open 2 trades for an upward movement in the direction of the trend. This is a good entry into the trade. So let's highlight the working area. We also need to take a closer look at the section of the movement. Here we had a quick update, just like both the local maximum and the local minimum were reached. The price touched the weighted moving average, and here I will focus on the trend, playing the bounce of the moving average. Therefore, I'm opening the trades to go long. So let's watch the result of these 2 trades. And the final trade closed in the positive. A great trading result for today. I'm more than satisfied with the final balance amount. Okay, let's move to the withdrawal. Today's profits will amount $2,448. The withdrawal operation successfully. This is how today's trading went with the use of these indicators. I'm fully satisfied with the result of this trade, and overall I think you understood properly orientation yourself while training with these indicators. If you have any questions, you can find the link to my Telegram in the description below the video and ask any question you're interested in. So let's move on to the second trading. So guys, let's get started with our second trading session. I have already analyzed and selected all the currency pairs with the most optimal price movement patterns and payout percentage. Right now let's trade focusing on trend. And for this I have selected 2 simple indicators, the fractal and the alligator. When trading on a 1-minute time frame, the default settings for these indicators are sufficient. So now let's get started. Starting with the $750, let's proceed and pick up the first currency pair.
Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share exclusive content, daily market analysis, and direct support to help you succeed. Links are in the description below.
Here we open the trade for decline with a great entry point. We'll also incorporate technical analysis into our trades. So let's highlight the working area and focus on the fractal and alligator indicators. The alligator's moving averages are pointing downward, indicating a strong bearish trend. Next, we observe the update of the local maximum, which increases our signal for opening the trade to the downside. And overall, I think the price will move towards the upper area, so I'm opening a trade to the downside. Okay, let's watch the results of the first trade. And our first trade closed in the profit. As I said, the price was likely to move towards the support area, which is exactly what it did. The trade was quite straightforward. Okay, let's continue trading. Open the trade for $750 and choose the next currency pair. Here we'll also open a trade in the direction of the trend as upward dynamics dominate in this currency pair. Let's highlight the working RM. As there is quite a strong price pullback here, and even local minimum was formed, after which the price moved upwards. Next, there's a possible crossing of the alligator's moving average from top to bottom. It's better to open the trade for an upward movement. Okay, let's watch the result of the second trade. We have about 15 seconds left until the finish.
Subscribe to my Telegram channel and become part of my VIP group. It's a game changer for simplifying your trading and driving your success. Just drop me a message with "I want to join the VIP group" to get started.
And our second trade also closed in the profit. So let's change the trade amount to $800. Overall, this is also an easy trade, so let's continue trading and pick the next pair. Here we'll also open a trade to the downside once again following the trend. Let's highlight the working area. Okay, here we have the crossover of the alligator's moving average. The moving average called ellipse has moved downward, while the moving average called jaw has moved upward. This indicates a downward trend. After that, we have seen a good price pullback. Overall, that's why I'm opening a trade to go down. So let's watch the result. I believe the downward trend should prevail here.
Get in-depth market reports and future forecasts directly on your phone. Join our Telegram channel for weekly updates and detailed analysis. Click the link in the description to join now and stay ahead of the market.
Okay, we were a bit unlucky here. The price is staying still. It was quite an interesting entry into the trade. So the currency pair seems to have stopped working. Okay, no worries, it happens. We are already in profit by $500. So let's now open a trade for $1,000 to reach a profit that will satisfy me. So let's continue and select new currency pair. Here I want to open a trade against the trend. It's an exceptional trade, but I believe my entry logic is absolutely correct. We have already opened a trade here before. As I mentioned, the price touched the support area and I expect a slight pullback in the dynamics, just like it's happened previously at all touch points at this price level. Here we already have a local minimum has been updated, and here we don't pay attention to the alligator's moving average. I believe you should see a pullback in the dynamics. Okay, let's watch the result of this trade. And our trade closed in the profits. Everything happened as I said. The pullback in dynamics was exactly what I expected, and we secured our trade in profit. So a great profit for today, about $1,400. Let's secure it and proceed to the withdrawal. Select the wallet. $1,400 for withdrawal. Our operation is successfully completed. Today's trading session was a success using the applied indicators. As you can see, there's nothing complicated here. The key points are understanding price movement and being correctly oriented in your trading. Indicators can significantly increase your profits, but if you have any questions, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description, where you can ask any question you might have. So guys, I will definitely to help everyone. Good luck in trading and see you soon.